So all the people cannot be asked to come at one go. They have to follow a shift system. Even the lunch breaks, tea breaks, or whatever breaks the employees are having, those also have to be staggered depending upon the shift system. That is one thing. Secondly, persons above 65 years of age and parents of children below 5 years of age should be encouraged to work from home only. That is one thing. Fourth, use of Arogya Setu app. This is an app which has been launched by the Government of India. This app must be downloaded, self-verification be done, and ensure that your Bluetooth and location is live on this app so that this app can be used to the maximum extent possible. At workplaces, again, proper disinfection of all the surfaces has to be maintained. Hand washing facility has to be provided. Ensure that all places where people are touching are disinfected regularly. Apart from this, medical insurance of all the workers has to be insured by the employer. So all the employers are requested that if they do not have insured medical insurance, please kindly ensure that medical insurance is provided. With respect to those establishments which have been given relaxation under these guidelines, all the establishments will have to ensure that all the places within this establishment where people are meeting, for example, the entry gate, the cafeteria, the meeting rooms, they are disinfected properly. If they are having any sort of a transport system to bring those people to their establishments, even within that vehicle, proper disinfection has to be done, social distancing has to be followed. So these are the things with respect to workplaces. Second, in public places, large gatherings are to be avoided. Gatherings of more than 10 as per the MHA order are to be avoided. So this we will be very scrupulously enforcing. No non-essential visitors in public offices, in private offices are to be allowed. So please note that only essential services and only people who are required for running and operation of these essential services and facilities which the respective establishment is providing will be allowed to come, and only for these purposes these establishments will function. I hope that these guidelines will be adhered to by all the people of Karaikal. These guidelines are to keep all of us safe collectively. This is very important, and I am hopeful that all of us will religiously follow these guidelines. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay indoors only. Thank you.